Okay, welcome to the video. My name is Nizamuddin Amrali, and this video is an unboxing of the Dell Inspiron 3793. So let's go ahead and unbox and let's get into it. Hope you like it. Video. Okay, let's see. Now I've seen other videos where a person tries to undo the box and they have a little difficulty, so I'm going to see if I can do it any better, or we'll see. This is just a strange angle, but I think I can manage. So I just got to get your firm grip on the box and cut on this edge of the, well, you know how to open a box. This is no different. I've got a catch there. Let's see if we can get that open there. Nope. Let's turn it around. There we go. That's the packing slip on the side of the box right there. Let's slide this down a bit. Let me get a better angle and grab at it. This clasp here is a little annoying. It doesn't seem to want to. It's a little tricky. Ah, there we go. Oops. Got you out of the frame there. Oh, there's a little lid here. Let's see what we can take out. This is, you can see quite clearly some sort of foam or cardboard. Taking out the cardboard now. Okay, let's take a break. Nah, just kidding. Let's dive right in. Take it right out. Ooh, there it is in slow motion. No, I wish. Actually, I could do it in slow motion if you wanted. Now we got the plastic. You can see the Dell logo on it right there. I can rotate it. See, the plastic is still attached there. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Let's get rid of the box. There's something else in the box I should say. Some paperwork. Ooh, this got very noisy. Oop, I accidentally dropped the cardboard box on the laptop. I think it's okay though. There's some sort of paper down there. 1 second. This looks like another instructions for that. Anything else? Can you see down there? No, I think that's it. Apologize for the moving camera. All I can offer you is the commentary as I open the box. The box is empty. Yes, the box is empty. Put that aside. Remind me to take off the packing slip. Now let's take off the plastic wrap. Okay, coming up on 4 minutes. It took a bit longer than I thought. The box, I think, threw me for a loop. Oops. Let's see, where is this thing catching? Right here. There we go. And let's slide it out. And there she is. Let's take a break just to admire the technology. Okay, let's open it up just to see what it looks inside before we charge the computer and the adapter. I think you look it from this side, or is it the other side? Oh, I think this is the side that opens. Yeah. Let's just open it. Oops, a little tricky. And there it is. Okay, this is the Dell Inspiron 3000 series, or 3793, with SSD, 512 SSD, 10th generation, Intel, 16 gigabyte of RAM. So let's charge it up, and thanks for watching the video. If you like it, subscribe, comment, and just see the next video. Have a great day. Bye.